Friends, hello my dear friends. Hope you are doing well. So in today's video I am going to show you how to create a beautiful landscape in watercolor. Thank you each and everyone whoever watching my video and whoever subscribe my video. Please don't skip. You know, everyone invite request always don't skip. So I am doing the same thing because this is not a joking video, nothing like it. It's very serious video. This is all about fine arts. So if you skip, sometimes students think that I'll skip and I'll learn very fast. No need to watch the drawing. No need to. This is very big mistake. Just I am here to share my knowledge with you guys. So never think there is any shortcut. Look, in a fine arts there is no shortcut. So whatever I am doing, just watch. I am just using lots of water to make the paper wet and from the top to bottom, okay, properly, again and again. Remember, please be careful. It should wet properly from the top to bottom. Okay. Then I am taking some blue. The color is not a big deal. Okay, you can use any kind of blue, cobalt, ultramarine, French ultramarine, Prussian, anything you want. Okay, no problem at that. Now I am doing some more blue clear sky, and rest of the part will be cloud, white cloud. So very simple, no complication. Because if you want to learn, so you should start from the basic. I created the channel. My motive was to make people very comfortable. I always try to make my video easy and helpful. Look, I am use some green with little bit of blue. Okay. I know many people will skip the video, they will cut the video, because I check always the average time duration, like 1 minute, 2 minutes. So I make 10 minutes video. Till people are not, they don't have time. They want to learn very fast. They have so many options in YouTube, so many options. They will learn that, learn those things, all those things. But actually, if you really want to learn, please watch the full video. I am doing some bushes, then I will do the tree, and I will do the boat and the water slowly. Okay. Now I am doing the big tree just beside the river. This is a very big tree, very big, like banyan tree. It's not a small tree. So I am using normal artist watercolor. This is not gouache, there is no acrylic. This is really the pure normal watercolor of Daniel Smith and Winston Newton. Very gently and carefully I am doing. I am adding some small dots here and there to make it more realistic and flavorful. Look how I am moving my brush. This paper is wet enough till now. Okay, so whatever I am doing, just wait and wait. Okay, slowly you can see the tree is blending with the sky, and the sky is blending with the cloud. the small bushes is blending with the sky. So this the harmony, this the unity and harmony, all everything is there. So you can see the balance of color, use of green, how I am using the green. I can do much faster, but till I am doing slowly, so that you guys can get some idea, get some proper guidance. And whenever you will do, remember I am always with you guys. So if you have anything to ask regarding watercolor, you can ask me, you can send me comment, no problem at all. My request is don't skip if you really want to learn. It's my promise you will learn far better than any college, any institute. This is my promise. This is my promise. Because I really want to make my YouTube journey successful. I know there is no shortcut. There is no shortcut. If you want to create a healthy organic YouTube channel, then you should be very patient and you have to wait for the proper timing. Time will come, there is no shortcut, just like watercolor. So I am doing the same thing. I am trying my best to share. Now rest of the part is given up to the audience. Audience is the god of any YouTuber. So if you guys like it, that then comment on my video, press the bell button, so whenever I am going to post any video you will get a notification. And just check that the boat is wet or dry, the area, because I want to make some clothes there. I am just working on the impression, okay, simple impression. It's very difficult to convince people because there is a myth in India. Okay, first we have to do pastel, then soft pastel, then watercolor, then acrylic oil. Oil is very like premium, mature, medium. But no, actually that's not true. Actually, any medium like either it's watercolor or it's oil, it's acrylic, it's charcoal. It's even up to you. If you want to continue your watercolor journey entire your life, you can do. If you want to continue your journey with oil painting only, you can do. If you want to continue your art journey with charcoal only, you can do. It's even up to you. There is there is nothing like that ki I have to do pastel till my age of 10, then I will go for watercolor from 11 to 23 I will do watercolor, after that I will do oil painting. This is totally myth. Sometimes I know so many people who don't love acrylic, who don't love oil painting, who love only watercolor. So it's different up to the artist. We can't say कि oil painting is very premium and watercolor is for the basic students. Not like that. So here you can see whatever I am doing in my painting is very basic but very effective and fruitful. Remember, I am not doing anything very in detail or any like complication. No complication is there. This is very normal thing to paint. If anyone follow the video, if anyone watched my video from beginning to end 4-5 times, slowly his or her concept will be very clear and they can do better watercolor. This is my feelings. So I am doing the reflection, the little reflection for the trunk of the tree. Okay. So everyone, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do more practice. Do comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.